hours daw siya sa ICU. Hindi
So,
kaya
48 hours. So, 48 hours sa Friday.
Sa po pwede?
Oh.
Pero sir,
Kaya nga
sabi-
hindi bukas eh.
Pero sir, sabi ni Justice Cuevas, malabo pa hanggang Monday. So paano
Ano?
yun? Malabo pa raw na mag-appear hanggang Monday
Well,
si CJ.
we will have to follow the ruling of the Senate President, the impeachment court.
Apekto ba yung pag-alis siya sa stand unceremoniously dun sa judgment sa kanya?
Well, maybe some.
Sa inyo?
Maybe I will consider that because you know, he is the Chief Justice and he knows what is right and what is wrong. He should know because he being the highest lawyer, the Chief Magistrate of the land, alam naman niya araw-araw siya nag-hearing even before when he was a practicing lawyer. He knows if he should ask permission from the court. When he testified there, he was not the Chief Justice. He is an ordinary witness.
Pero
So he should have shown respect to the court.